the bypass bridge that they've built, so you don't have to go through the Hoover Dam. And it's huge.
Had more of your smile. What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope.
So this is the bypass bridge. It's actually cooler than the dam. And we're gonna go see it. We're at the dam right now. This is the dam, but I want to see that.
So we're gonna go across this. See, there's people already.
We're not crocking across anything.
I said walk across.
I am not going across that. I am not going across it. I am not going across it. I am not going across it.
She's going to, because she has to go. We are still in Nevada, so we have the time of Nevada.
Mom, are we on the dam? Whoa! Are we on the dam? Yeah, Mom, are we on the dam?
Yeah.
We are?
Now look at the line where the water used to be, Jake. Isn't that cool?
Wait,
All that white.
white line in the rock is the water where the water used to be. And how did the water stop growing?
Well, that's what the purpose of the dam is, Jake. Is to stop the water from flowing over the dam. See?
From to stop the water from getting higher? Or else
Well, when it gets too high, then they let some out. So it's how they control it. It's like keeping it. It's blocking it, so they keep it into the...
Just kind of like on Frozen 2, which I shouldn't spoil that.
Yeah, remember the dam at on Frozen 2? That's exactly it.
I hope you guys see it, because if you have the
So like I said, we're at Hoover Dam.
Yeah!
And we're on the side that the water is being held up. We're gonna go on the other side and see the river side.
Yeah, it's super pretty. So right now we're still in Nevada. We'll let you know when we hit Arizona. Could take a really long time. Who knows?
Okay, so this is the state line here. And when I crossed over on this side, I gained an hour of my life. Do I look younger? Hold on just a second.
Make yourself older.
Hold on just a second. Do I look older? Just a second. Okay, did I change? I'm less gray. I guess you gain an hour of your life. Just by crossing over to the other side of the bridge, you're gaining an hour. But then, unfortunately, we lose it when we come back.
Yeah, then we lose it when we come back. But it felt good for a moment. I got an extra hour of time.
Yep, I'm not as gray.
You're not as gray. You're retarded. Jacob wants to see what it looks like down there.
There's fish jumping. Wait, what? There's fish jumping?
Emma's trying to run off to Nevada, and what did you say?
Don't go to another state without a parent.
Don't go to another state, even though she would be right there. I'm not really sure why we're making fun of this whole, or having fun with this whole time zone thing, but for some reason, maybe it's just because we just ate and we have like food high.
So, despite the fact that this one is a couple minutes faster, it's not a whole hour, so I guess we didn't gain an hour this time. We have to wait for daylight savings, so.
After.
That's why you didn't age.
That's why there wasn't a big difference.
Yeah, now we understand why you didn't have gray beard.
That's why I didn't. My appearance didn't change from one hour to another.
I know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You said my
No, you shut up!
No, you shut up!
Okay, stop.
You shut up!
No, you shut up!
Remember that movement? Remember the movie?
That's from the movie Brother Bear, I know.
You shut up!
Jacob, no more. Hey, Jake, look at me. What do you think about all this?
It's nice.
It's just nice? Well, look how...
You shut up!
Now
No,
look,
you shut up!
No, you shut up!
Okay.
No, you shut up! I'm kind of scared because I don't want
there was a dog who owned the dam, or at least he thought he did. And apparently the workers overfed the dog. And when they overfed him, there was the man, he limited his meal by giving him a meal in a paper sack. That way that people didn't overfeed him. And he would climb up ladders, over catwalks, through tunnels. He even rode the open air elevator. He would bark at the operator when he wanted... Liberty! He'd bark at the operator when he wanted to get off, see? And do you know how he died? He fell asleep under a truck and they didn't know he was there, and then the truck drove over him while he was sleeping. And it says that grown men wept as they jackhammered a tomb for him in the rock next to the temporary ranger station. Isn't that sad? So this right here is the grave tomb, and they buried him here under this. Okay, we are here at the Hoover Dam, but at the Bypass Memorial Bridge. It is very windy, so we apologize for the wind.
We had to duck.
Yes, we're having to duck from the wind because those are the cars.
That makes the wind.
So,
One thing Dad told me to do is don't ever look down and look straight ahead.
show you guys what it's like to cross this, but it's very loud and it's very windy. All right, Jacob. This is what it would look like if you fell.
I don't wanna go to sleep. 'Cause this is something that I wanna keep.
Jacob, I got you.
I'm gonna drop the camera. Fine, can we catch me?
Can we get you?
Yes, look at this.
The same, I know. And my heart sings the lonely road we go.
This is how much it costs. 20 million of Arizona, 20 million of Nevada, 100 million from bond funds by Arizona and Nevada, and 100 million of federal.
What are federal funds?
240 million bucks. It's windy.
Yep, my hat's about to blow off.
Is it worth it
Worth what?
to come across the bridge?
This is crazy. That is really high. I'm afraid of heights. That is scary high.
I just can't get you out of my mind. We should never let it go. We should never let it go.
Like looking at the cars down there is kind of satisfying.
It's satisfying to look at the car.
Yeah. It's just, look at that red car.
Yeah, look at that red car. Ready? Say hawk.
world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars.